All right, we're here back at the Goodwill outlet today.
Goodwill bins.
Yes, the Goodwill bins. It's real early in the morning. There's not that many people here. So hopefully we won't have to fight people over things.
We need inventory.
Yeah, we need inventory bad. So let's see what we find. Yeah, there's a cool shirt. Here.
It's heavy.
Yeah, that should be heavy. That, no, if it's something like that, you'd have to ask.
How much?
I wouldn't mess with those. Oh, cool. Oh, it's real stitched up. This is somebody made this, you know. I don't know. There you go. Boom. Flavor Flav. Sorry. It was right in front of me. I couldn't resist. West Side Store.
Those sell, right?
I don't know, but I think so.
I think they do. You see this?
I saw it. I don't know if it.
It looks vintage and cool.
Cool.
Yes, pick it up.
Dark red, fast shot. That's cool. This bag is heavy now.
Good. Awesome.
It looks like it's missing something, but firewire cable. Well, we know these sell, so.
Yeah, they do.
Oh, I'm just gonna grab this.
There's a matching pair over there. I just don't know what these are. But
They're just like
matching pairs are-
house slippers.
Yeah, but it's definitely like made off of something else. Like Yeezys or something. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't know, do you wear it with the mask?
We actually got most of the.
Go ahead!
On a penny. Heads up. My lucky day.
It means we just have to take this out and then
Yeah,
this
leave.
will just stay separate.
Yeah, leave that in here. And then we gotta ask somebody how much for this.
Yeah.
Hi. Good morning. How much for this? It's like
It'll
a
be weighed separate for 99 cents a pound.
99 cents a pound? Weight separate?
Okay.
Yeah, that's
Put it
fine.
there.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's take it.
$7.
That's
$7 bucks?
perfect,
Yeah. Let's do that. Okay, this is 7 and then
And the 8.
8 pounds. Okay. Yeah, let's do that.
24.35.
Okay. All right, thank you.
Yeah. So hey guys.
Nice little cooler faucet set. We only paid $7 for that. These Vibrams, I think that this is the big thing. And then these shoes.
The Yeezy whatever
Yeah.
they're called.
But, you know, got some toys, some hats, a vinyl record, cords.
Sealed.
Oh, that's sealed? Cool. Nice. So far, so good. We'll do that. We'll do what?
This is the thing about this place though.
Close to 50% off.
In the trash and contact your timeshare resort or Wesley Financial Group for assistance with your timeshare. As the only Inc. 500 timeshare cancellations for over 40,000 families, we've helped get out of their timeshare. Give us a call.
Kid, 800-329-2121.
It's a Nintendo
800-329-2121. 121.
Check that out. I knew it as soon as I saw that it was gray.
And you could appear in the Allstate asset and only pay a rate based on you. Not available in every state, subject to terms and conditions. Rating factors and savings vary, and in some states the rate could increase with higher risk driving. Allstate Fire and Casualty Insurance Company.
$2
Hey,
each.
fantasy football fans, do you want to be the owner who is doing a cram session the night before the draft?
But like this one, Dr. Seuss.
Cool.
There's a tag. Some Kohl's and there's a Pokemon.
That's Pokemon, yeah.
I don't know if it's official, but it's
Kind of
cool.
looks official.
Yeah.
Here, puzzle in there. Put the puzzle in here too. This is Dr. Seuss too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is
We can
Lorax.
Look at all of them if you want. This one is as well.
For Lorax. Yeah, that was
Love
like,
it. It's really cool.
yeah,
Really fluffy, right?
yeah. That's what the little stuff
Very
is.
cool.
So how come some of these say 4? This one says 4
You can ask, I guess.
and 2.
We'll ask him. Because
Yeah.
it's bullshit. That's kind of hilarious. I think it's
LeBron James from Space Jam. Kogut. Hi. How you doing? Good. How are you? Yeah. Okay, and then I wanted to ask you, these two say 2, but this one says 4. Can we do this one for 2 as well?
It's all the same, yeah.
Okay. 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 Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a great day. Thank you. Yeah, hold on. I mean, it's like never have a good straight. So So in total, we spent $24.35 at the Goodwill bins and $19.26 at St. Vincent de Paul, bringing our grand total spent this trip to $43.61. We did have like a lot of high ticket finds, like the Vibrams and the Olympics Rio hat.
And our sales have actually picked up starting today. We had a $200 day and sold a bunch of different items from our eBay shop. So that's a really good sign that summer is ending and people are going back to school, and you know, hopefully some items start moving for everybody soon.
Yeah, one step closer to Q4. So thanks for watching, and be sure to like this video, comment, subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos like this, and we'll see you on the next one.